Jump Desktop is marketed as a remote desktop application that lets you securely access and control your Mac or Windows computer from another device. It promises fast performance, low latency, and support for multiple platforms. But the real question is, should you download it before watching this? Now, to be fair, remote desktop software is a legitimate tool used by professionals, IT teams, and individuals who need secure access to their computers from anywhere. What it does well: fast remote access. Jump Desktop is known for responsive performance, especially when using its fluid remote desktop protocol. Cross-platform support. It works across Windows, macOS, iOS, Android, and other supported devices. Where the hype falls apart, it isn't completely free. Some versions require a one-time purchase or additional setup, depending on your platform. Performance depends on your internet connection. A slow or unstable network can lead to lag, reduced image quality, or disconnects. Not every feature is beginner-friendly. Advanced options may take some time to understand if you're new to remote desktop software. So, should you download Jump Desktop? Short answer: yes, if you need reliable remote access. If you're looking for a fast and secure way to control your computer remotely, Jump Desktop is a solid option. But make sure its pricing and features match your specific needs before purchasing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.